So she writes, in high school, I was institutionalized and had multiple traumatic events concurrently and led to multiple diagnoses. I had no agency. I was monitored constantly and given no real choice in any treatment or holistic options. So, how important is it that we are educated as chaplains around mental health? Because, you know, if you can intervene, if you can walk alongside, if you can listen to somebody share, and empower them to make choice, empower them to have decision making capacity with their own health. I think it's just it's humanizing, not dehumanizing. And so it's so important to help. So she said she actually had a chaplain help with my recovery. So, you know, it's such a great privilege just to walk with people without judgment,